Hi guys, welcome to the channel Bean Trader, and now starting a new video on MACD. Okay, what MACD? Let me show you. Okay, this indicator MACD. Okay, moving average, convergence, and divergence. Now let's see how this indicator will work and how we need to know about this indicator and how we need to use these indicators. Okay. Now. Let me tell you that. Okay, let me start with this video. Sorry, let me start with this image. Okay, we know that there are many indicators. Okay, there are hundreds of indicators are all over the world. Okay, there are many traders. Okay, there are many professional traders are trading with these indicators with. Okay, they are also taking this help of these indicators. The 44% of the people are taking are using RSI, and the next place goes to this MACD. Okay, right now we are doing the concept of MACD. This indicator is used by 22% of traders around the world. Okay, next is Bollinger Bands, and the next places is covered by some other indicators. Especially this is a stochastic indicator after Bollinger Band, and from after stochastic there are many indicators. Okay, they will fill their places according to the usage. And now the moving averages are very important. After that, these indicators are very important. Okay, first one is RSI and MACD. Now let us see how this MACD will work for us. Without wasting the time, let us enter into the topic. Okay, as I told, okay, these are these are unnecessary stuff that I opened this video just only to help you to get understand clearly. Okay, what's the MACD? Okay, we know I told that MA means moving average. Okay, CD means not that VCD CD DVD. Okay, this CD means convergence and divergence. Okay, I hope you understood. MACD means moving average, convergence, and divergence. Okay, this is a technical indicator, we know that, and let us see how it will use. Okay, in MACD we need to consider, okay, there are three components and we need to consider these components. Okay, one is signal line and another one is MACD line. Okay, MACD line, this MACD line, and another one is signal line, and another one is histogram. We need to consider these three components. Okay, you can see MACD and signal line. Okay, this is crossover, and there is one more thing called divergence. We need to concentrate on these topics. Okay, only there are two concepts in MACD that we need to focus on. One is crossover and another one is divergence. Okay, this is crossover. Okay, this is how the crossover. Okay, you can see MACD cross the signal line. Okay, this gives that signal that you can buy at this point of time. Okay, this MACD is cross the signal line, and now we can enter. Okay, this MACD is used to this MACD will help us to enter into market and exit from the market. Okay, at what point we need to enter and at what point we need to exit from the market. Okay, this MACD is used in that way. Okay, now see here it made a crossover, so we can enter at this point. Okay, and we can exit when this red line crosses the MACD line. Okay, how to tell you? Okay, if you are if you are buying, you can buy here and you can sell if the red line come above this MACD line. Okay, simply, or in a simple words or in clear words, okay, if the red line is above the blue line, you can sell. Okay, if you are trying to sell, you can sell if the red line come above the blue line, and if you are trying to buy, if you need to buy at this point. Okay, when the blue line crosses the red line. Okay, you can't buy anywhere or in the middle of this crossovers. Okay, if you brought here, okay, then you can see here within no time it came down. Okay, see here, if the distance between these two lines are more, it's nothing but the market is reacted, it's overly reacted to the price. Okay, the market is overly reacted to the price. Within no time or within some time, the market will going to come to normal. Okay, the market will going to come normal momentum, or it will going to come to normal price. So we can't or we can't place here, please avoid to trade, or avoid to place your trades if the distance between these two lines are more. Okay, now let us see how these histograms will help us. Okay, why these histograms are there? Just to know the, clearly know the distance between the MHD and signal line. If the histograms lines are very big, the distance also very big. Okay, you can't buy here. See here, from this the histogram lines are get down, get smaller. This means that the market is trying to come back to the normal position. Okay, the normal momentum. Okay, why? Because at this point and this point, it, the market reacted abnormally. See here, histograms are getting, there are very small histograms, right? The histogram body is not very big, so the distance between these two lines are very less. You can see this part. Okay, you can see this part. This is how the histograms will come to use. Now okay, wait, now let us see how these will work very clearly. Okay, as I told, these histograms will tell the, it is used to measure the distance between the two lines. Okay, divergence. Okay, let me see whether there is a divergence or not here in this PDF. I don't know whether they given a divergence, or yes, they are given a divergence here. You can see here, the market is going down, but the MACD, okay, it is showing up. Okay, it is showing up. It nothing but the market will going to change its trend. It will going to go up. You can see here. Okay, you can see here. It's a bullish divergence. Okay, if the MACD is showing up when the market is still down, it's nothing but it's a bullish divergence. Okay, it's a bearish divergence. Okay, if the MACD is showing down, the market is going up. Yeah, it's a good example. It visibles very clearly. You can see here the market is going up, but the MACD is showing down, that the market will going to change its trend very quickly. Okay, and remember one thing, friends, these indicators are not only the ultimate indicators. This we going to have a technical setup. I will going to make that technical setup video after completing 14 to 15 indicators. Okay, these indicators will all help us to know, to take a good trades. Okay, let me show in a live market now. Yeah, already I drawn it. You can see the market is going down, right? The market is going down, but the MACD is showing up. This, okay, the, you can see here. I will remove the line now. Okay, okay, it is showing up. The market is going down. This, okay, after that the market went up, right? This is how the indicators will help us. This is the, bullish divergence. There are two divergence. One is bullish divergence and another one is bearish divergence. Okay, now you can take your trade at this point. Okay, at this point. Okay, when the blue line make the crossover above the red line, you can place your trade. Okay, and you can exit from the trade at this point. At this point, okay, even though you are in a profit. Okay, you brought the price, you enter the market here and you are exiting at the market at this candle, right? So you are in a profit. Okay, more over 100%, more over 100%. Yeah, so this is how the market will work. This is how the MACD will give a signal for us. Let me show one more example for bullish. Okay, again this is a bullish divergence. Okay, I already drawn it. If I got a good chance, I'm going to show you. Yeah, at this point we have a chance here. See here, the market is showing it's a up. Okay, it's going up, but already MACD is giving a signal that, okay, the market will go down. Yes, see here, the market will go down. Okay, this is a bearish divergence. Okay, this is how it gives a signal. You can buy, sorry, you can sell here. Okay, it's showing down. Even though market is going up, it's showing down. It means the market will go to change its trends. This is how the MACD will gives a signal. Please try it. Okay, this will help you. Why? Because even when I trade, it helps me a lot. Okay, okay, I'll remove this. Okay, see here at this point. Okay, at this point you can sell here. At this point you can sell. Why? Because it's giving a okay. Even it also broken these moving averages. At this point, yes, at this candle you can sell here. At this point you can see the moment from if you sell here. Okay, you can, okay, the you may buy here. Okay, at this point. Okay, even with the confirmation of these moving averages at this point, or at this point you can buy at this point also. Or it's showing okay, at somewhere here you can buy. Okay, so from this point to this point you are getting a profit, right? Yeah, you are getting a good profits. So this is how this MACD will work. Please, keep it in a mind. One is crossover. This is a crossover. Okay, this, see here the red line. Okay, the red line means signal line cross the uh, blue line. You can sell here. This is how okay, this is a crossovers, and these are the divergence. Okay, this is a divergence. You need to remember this. Okay, these two things you need to remember here. One is crossover and another one is divergence. This is how the MACD will work. Okay, in next video we're going to see the how the MACD will work in a live market. Okay, after this, okay, in next video the example video of MACD will become. Okay, this is okay, and now from I completed my part. Okay, I completed my part. Now you need to complete your part. Okay, always see here. Even here also I use MACD. Okay, this is my um, this, what to say, that the stock market trading. Okay, here also you can see this line, this one, the above indicator MACD. Okay, MACD will help us in this way. Okay, it will definitely, it will help us. Please don't neglect it. Please practice it. Okay, now I completed my job. Now it's your turn to practice it and put it in a, take your trades in a well manner. Okay, so, and one more thing is, guys, please share this video to our friends. Okay, why? Because it will help them in certain point of their time or in certain part of their lifetime. Okay, it will help this. There is nothing wrong in sharing the knowledge. Okay, there's nothing sorry, there is nothing wrong in learning the new things. Okay, please share with our friends. And now I am completing my video. Now I am completing my job. It's now your turn to do it. Okay, thank you guys, have a nice day. Please practice it well and apply it. Okay, thank you.